Welcome back, guys. In the previous lecture we have completed the logic behind the JavaScript meals project. Now we are left with only one thing in this project, that is adding CSS. So first we will style these my items div, then we will style the navbar. So open index.js. So here for the div we have given the class as call md3, but it is some divs taken more than 3. Here you can see Bootstrap grid is not applied successfully here. Let me check the errors. Open index.html. So here we have given div id is equal to my items, class equal to row successfully. And I forgot to write the container. Copy this and paste it inside the container. Dot container. Sorry, enter. And paste the div inside the container. And here for the images we need to add one more class which is called as the img fluid. So it will take only width of the parent. If you do not mention these img fluid for the image, it will be stretched and the length width of the image will be increased automatically. Class equal to img fluid. Control S. Now I will refresh the page. Here you can see now it's looking good. So now we need to center the things. How to center the things? It's very simple. Justify content center for row. Justify content center. Control S. Sorry, it's not working. Let me check. Here the justify spelling is wrong. Justify. Control S. Here you can see now all the items are at the center of the page. Now I will add some image styling and the p styling in CSS. Open index.css, not index.css, style.css. And for image I will add border radius. Border radius equal to 5px. And this is Bootstrap class, that's why reason we have to provide important also. Control S. Here you can see border radius for images applied successfully. And for call md3 also we will apply some margin. Dot call md3 m30, that means margin 30. We have to provide the important. Yeah, now you can see the margin applied successfully. Now I will apply styling for p tags, that means paragraph tags. We have given the paragraph tags for meal name and meal id. P. I will apply font weight equal to bold and font size equal to 25 pixels. Control S. You can see now it's looking good. So 25 pixels is very much high, so I will decrease it to 20, 22. Yeah, now it's looking good. And now I will add the shadow like this. So to get this we have to use Bootstrap shadow. Bootstrap shadow, get shadows, copy the last one and paste it for the call md3 class in the index.js. So here you can see this is the call md3 class. Paste it here. Refresh the page. Here you can see shadow also applied successfully. So we got output as like expected. If you want to center the image, that means item name and the id to the center of the page, then we need to apply text center class for the call md3. So here we need to apply text center. Control S. Now all the things will be at the center of the page. Here you can see this is the name and this is the name. These are the IDs and this is the image. So we have completed styling for this body area, that means div element, and now we need to add the styling for navbar. So first I will add the styling for navbar. Dot, let me check the ID name. ID equal to dot navbar. So I will write hash nav bar, because we have given id property. Nav bar background color equal to, so I will use black or something like black. Control S. Here you can see back color is applied. Now I will add the color of the li to white. Li color to white. Control S. Here you can see now the li color is white. Now we need to bring this at the center of the page. So you can write styling for these nav elements. So hash nav elements. So text align center. Control S. You can see now these are at the center of the page. Now I will remove these dots. For li I will remove text style type, sorry, not text style, list type. List style type none. You can see it's also removed. Now I will change the display property. I will change the display block to display inline. Display inline. Control S. You can see now it's looking good. Now I will add some margin bottom, MB 15. Control S. So margin bottom not applied successfully. Now I will add the important. So now here also margin bottom not applied. Let me check. These are the li elements, and instead of applying margin for the li elements, you can apply padding for the nav elements. So P10, padding 10. Yes, you can see home, order, contact us. So now instead of margin bottom, I will apply margin left. Let me check if it work or not. Margin left. Yeah, it's working. So I will apply more than 30 pixels margin. So here you can see now these are looking like exact nav elements, like these only, and you have to bring these JS meals to the center of the page, not center of the page, right side of the page. So remove the JS meals h1 text first. So where it is, here, this h1 text, remove this h1 text. Here you can see now we are having the same exact nav bar like this, and now I will increase the size of the title JS meals. So I will apply the styling for title, id title, font size equal to, I will apply 30 pixels. Control X. Here you can see now we got it. So this is the project title, and these are the navbar elements, and these are the list elements, that means meals items. So in our already developed project we are having the designed and developed by tag also. So if you want to use, you can use. This is simply a footer. Now I will create the footer in the index.html. So open index.html. At the last you have to create one div with the name id equal to footer, and in this footer we have to create 2 paragraph tags, and that will be designed and developed by, and we'll create one more p, and in this you can write your name. Control S. So here we have to center the things. So we will center using CSS. First let me check whether we got footer or not. Here you can see we got the footer. Now we need to bring this to the center of the page. Hash footer. First of all apply background color. So we will apply brown or similar to brown. like this, Control S, and I will change the color to white, and I will also center the things using text align center, Control S. Yeah, you can see here, designed and developed by your name, so you can write your name here. So it's stretched towards the bottom and top, so I will add P20 or P10 for the padding, P10. So now it's looking good, designed and developed by and your name. So this is our JavaScript meals project. Thank you.